So as you all know, the March meeting is a great place to get noticed, so we stopped by the Society for Physics Students Undergraduate Research Session.
The undergraduate research sessions, or the SPS sessions, at the APS March meeting are a collaboration between the American Physical Society and the Society of Physics Students to basically create a good experience for undergraduates who are attending the meeting. We actually know that we have about 400 undergraduates who attend, and that's a very significant number. So these are special research sessions where they can present their research. We give them feedback, constructive feedback, and we reward the top presenters with special prizes and certificates.
We try to provide opportunities for those students to do the things that we tell them that they ought to be doing, like communicating science, like learning how to present yourself in front of other scientists and to other people, really. So by having these kinds of opportunities, we're allowing them to do all the things that we tell them they ought to be doing if they want to be successful with their physics degree.
I just participated in an undergraduate research presentation session where I presented a 10-minute talk on my senior design research project. It forced me to really organize the ideas behind my research. While at times it's really easy to get caught up in the details and you sort of lose focus on what the big picture is, and so that was really nice to kind of regain that and also have a little more incentive to really have something ready to present today, to have it all together.
I participated at the University of Florida over the summer, worked on a 10-week project, and this was a chance for me to take the results I found and put them together in a 10-minute talk and give it to other undergraduates who went through similar experiences over the summer or through their own coursework. You're working day to day and doing a little bit here, a little bit there, and sometimes you lose track of the big picture. So putting together a presentation like this really gives you a chance to put the big picture back together and have a deeper understanding of what's going on as a whole.
I do work under an astroparticle physicist, Laura Swinkie, at the Colorado School of Mines. From doing the whole thing, I'd say it was very valuable because having to put together a presentation in a way that people are going to understand in just a little 10-minute talk and be able to give them enough information to understand what I'm doing, that was a challenge, and it really made me have to sit down and take time to make sure I understand the material enough that I can explain it clearly.
I'm actually founding the SPS club at my school this semester, so I'm really just taking that little step into being a part of the SPS community and hoping to really use it as a way to build our own understanding on campus within our physics majors, and also as a way to outreach into our local community and get people like younger students, high schoolers, interested in physics and other STEM fields.
The Society of Physics Students goes out of their way to keep you in touch with what actual physicists are doing in all the clubs, and especially coming here and giving a presentation and seeing everyone else's. It's real eye-opening to see what everyone else in the world's doing when you're not just in your own little bubble.
We like to say that SPS is the Gateway Society because it introduces you to the idea and the concept of being part of a professional organization. And as a professional physicist, that's something that we want to encourage them to do. They're going to be a part of a group at some point in their career, so they might as well start with SPS.
SPS is a great organization. They've been working with undergraduates for years. That's their focus. So it was just a natural partnership with them. We consider undergraduates to be physicists. We don't consider them to be physicists in the making. They're physicists. When they get their bachelor's degrees, they're physicists. So we want to maintain that connection with them and make them feel like they have a home at APS.